unlocking the meaning of turn the gears. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, turn the gears. This phrase is not only vivid in its imagery but also rich in meaning. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add depth to your English skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of turn the gears. First, let's understand what gears are. Gears are toothed wheels that interlock to transmit motion in machines. They are essential in various mechanisms, from clocks to cars. When gears turn, they create movement or change. Understanding this literal meaning helps us grasp the metaphorical use of the phrase. Now, let's explore the figurative meaning. When we say, turn the gears, we often mean to initiate or accelerate a process. It implies setting things in motion or thinking deeply. In a conversation, it can suggest stimulating someone's thought process or encouraging them to think more creatively or strategically. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. In a business meeting, we need fresh ideas to turn the gears and boost our sales. 2. In a classroom, this puzzle will turn the gears in your mind. 3. In personal development, reading that book really turned the gears in my head about my career path. These examples show how versatile the phrase is in different contexts. A common mistake learners make is using turn the gears in a literal sense for non-mechanical contexts. Remember, this phrase is mostly used metaphorically to signify mental or process-driven activities. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, turn the gears, effectively in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to turn the gears of your own English learning journey. See you in our next video.